Hey guys, welcome back to RSCARPREMIUM. So a lot of people are asking, we need a complete review on Dashcam of RSCARPREMIUM. So what we are starting here is we are starting a complete episode where we are going to talk about each and every Dashcam of RSCARPREMIUM. So this will be the first episode where we are going to talk about RSCARPREMIUM mirror Dashcam. So first let me tell you what all accessories we get it in RSCARPREMIUM mirror Dashcam. The first thing is you get a 11.6 inches touch display which will act as a mirror. Second, you get a lighter point which will be connected for the power supply. Then you get a back camera with the wiring kit. You get a GPS and you get a knob which will be connected to the mirror. So RSCARPREMIUM is a 11.6 inches touch display which will come with a both front 4K recording and rear 2K recording along with the split screen option. So it has a GPS control option. Wherever you are going, it will track your latitude and longitude. Once you download the video, it will show the path where you have traveled by. So now let's go and see how Dashcam works. So guys, this is RSCARPREMIUM 11.6 inches touch display. If you swipe here, if you can see here, it's a split screen option which is working front and rear, and front recording, rear recording. And if you wanted to adjust the cameras, you can adjust the cameras over here and you can adjust the brightness also over here, and this can happen in both front as well. You can adjust the cameras and you can adjust the brightness in the front as well. So if you see in the display, right, option, the red symbol symbolizes that it started recording. GPS is activated, and the time what you are seeing over here, right, it is the time which is started recording, today's date and time what is happening over here. This is Wi-Fi symbol, and if you see here, right, RSCARPREMIUM logo along with your speed, you will get the display on your front display. Now let's go and see what all setting options which is available as part of RSCARPREMIUM Dashcam. The first thing is if you click here, right, you get an option of loop record. So the first is a loop record, which means like what is the file format which we need to generate. Basically 1 minute file it should generate, or a 3 minutes file it should generate, or a 5 minutes file. So I have generally kept it as 5 minutes. So you get a good amount of duration for your recording. Then you have a time lapse. Time lapse is basically between each video. Whenever we are keeping 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, how many seconds which we need to create of the files, leaving that, like after you need to keep 1 second delay and you wanted to create the next set of file, or you should off it and do. So generally we need to keep it in off state. Then record audio. Record audio is one of the very key function of your Dashcam. Basically whatever you are talking inside, it is basically like a black box for a Dashcam. So we need to record what we are talking inside. You can record it. If you don't want, you can off it. So the option is over here, on and off. We suggest you to keep it on. So next is a gravity sensor option. You get an off, low, middle and high option. So what happens is whenever there is an impact to your car, there will be an urgent video recording. So if I keep it over here high, and if you I just touch a display, so this goes to an urgent recording. If you see here, right, so at this particular time device will be locked. That means if even the vehicle is off, if there is any impact, major impact to your car, still it will record until basically it will take the event. What is the impact of your event? It will take from 30 seconds to 7 minutes. So if you see here, right, those videos will all be in urgent recording. So any impact to your car or while driving to your car, right, so those are the videos which will be stored in urgent recording. So coming over here, right, so this was the impacted video now which we tested here. You get a rear urgent and a front urgent videos. Okay, and other best part of it is you can touch and operate, you can play the videos, everything over here, and you can hear the voice as well. It will start recording. So if you see here, right, there will be 6 set of options over here: front urgent, rear urgent, front ordinary, rear ordinary, front photo and rear photos. So urgent are those impacted videos. Front ordinary, as soon as you start your vehicle, all your videos will be there in front ordinary and rear ordinary. Impacted videos will be there in the urgent video. If you wanted to take a front photo and rear photo also can be taken with the help of a mirror Dashcam. Parking guard is one of the best option which is available in the RSCARPREMIUM mirror Dashcam. This comes up with a 500 mAh capacitor battery. So what happens over here, when you are driving, this keeps charging it. When your vehicle is off, it will start automatically recording when there is an impact. So even this has 3 options: low, middle and high. So I have kept in high option because when a car is off, it is not going to take any power from your car. It is going to directly take from the dashcam battery. So there is no impact to your car battery or anything. Like when your car is off, there is going to be any discharge. Nothing is going to happen. Car is off also, there will be no battery discharge which is going to happen. So a lot of customer tell me like, sir, we keep our car for 5-6 days, the battery gets drained out. No, here it is going to be a completely a plug and play device. The next option is the license. Basically, you can put your vehicle number. When you download the video, it will come along with that video with your vehicle number. So if you want, you can add it. If not, you can just leave it out over here. And for this is screensaver. It is like how you use in our phone, like 1 minute or 3 minutes you wanted to get off, so you can use this screensaver option. Then it supports video encoding. Is basically video formats. It will support both H.264 and 265 video format. So generally you can keep it as 265 video format. So frequency, you get a 50 hertz and 60 hertz for retrieval of data. It's always, if you can keep 60 hertz, it will be much more quicker and it will be easy. USB mode is basically an USB mode option where you can connect an USB or a pen drive to retrieve the data, but basically we have come up with an application, so we don't require it. Then we have a key voice. So basically when you're on, we are getting a logo sound and everything, so that will be a key voice note which will be there. And speaker is basically whatever we are recording, right? So the speaker sound will be there, so keep it always in a high. And we have a boot sound logo because whatever we are typing over here, right? So those sounds are there. Stream media, it should be on while retrieving the data. It supports multiple languages, so we are using English, so it will be in English. Then you can support with a date and time format over here. You can do that. Then you have a format. You whenever you are putting a memory card new, first thing is you need to format your memory card. The reason is it cannot understand whether you are putting into a dash cam or you are going to put it in a camera. So you need to always format your memory card. And default is an reset option. So whenever there is any issue pops up or something, you are put with an virus memory card or something, to format your memory card to get your base setup, you can format your memory card over here. Then you get a speech recognition. It also supports a voice command, basically a screen on or a screen off. So while driving you wanted to use, you can keep your on option and you can use those kind of voice command options also over here. Then you have a Wi-Fi app. So this is your device which is an SSN ID integrated. So now I'll show you how to retrieve the data and how you can download your videos to your phone. The first thing to retrieve data, what major thing we need to do is we need to see here that Wi-Fi symbol is on. It is off actually now. So now I have clicked here. Now it is on. So what we need to do over here is we need to come over here and you need to take the Wi-Fi app option. So this is your device number. So what we need to do over here is you should click on your settings to of Wi-Fi. If you see here, right, HIMC3A8AE, this is your particular device. So you need to join to this particular device with the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you can connect it over here directly. Now the Wi-Fi symbol is on. We need to download an app called Roadcam. So in Roadcam, if you see here, it's already been downloaded. So I'm going to open now. And first thing is we need to connect with your Wi-Fi. So I have connected now. I have joined to the Wi-Fi. Now if I click over here, right, to the symbol over here, the device will get connected. If you see here, right, I can see the front display and the rear display. And if you can see the display over here, right, please operate on the app. So that time you cannot use it in the display. You should only use it with the app. Front and rear option which is coming over here. If I click over here, right, so all our videos will be loaded over here. If I need any particular video, I can just select over here and download it. So now we have downloaded the video. So you get your complete video along with the maps. Now you guys might be thinking, okay, from where the maps are coming. So let me tell you how the GPS functionality also is going to work. So there is something called GPS test over here. So basically it will take your latitude, longitude along with the speed where you are going. Once you download the video, it will get synced with Google and it will show you along with the route map, the way I showed you in the video. So that will help you out on that. Speed calibration is there where you can keep your speed plus or minus 2, 4, 6 or 8, and you have a speed settings. It will also give you the high alert message, like how you get when you are crossing 80, you get your sensor sound, right? Even in the dash cam, you can get 80, 120, 120, whatever you wanted to keep your speed setting, you can get it done. Then along with that, with the speed unit, you can keep it in kilometer per hour or meter per hour. Other major concern everybody asks with mirror dash cam is like, if somebody comes up with a more wattage of power, what will happen? I'll not be having any visibility. So we have a function which will act as a mirror. Until 150 degree, it will have a WDR camera. It will record it and will minimize it. If it has more power, somebody is using 200, 250 watts, you can just press this particular button. It will act as a mirror, and behind the scene, it will be recording. So a lot of people have asked me like, how can I get this product? The first thing is you can reach our website www.rscarpremium.com. Otherwise, you can directly visit our store. We have only one store at Jayanagar. You can directly visit over there. Below are the numbers. You can just call them and come to our store directly. For more dashcam videos, please follow RSCARPREMIUM.